My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2012 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we can see that we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. As we move over onto the touchscreen, we can see that we have quick access to audio and video, navigation and Bluetooth. We have heated seats on either side. And we can choose from a variation of different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with a full leather black interior and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.